Good morning, my fourth grade students of أطفال الرمث النموذجي school. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today, inshallah, we are going to start with Unit 6. Unit 6, page 24. At first, what is the title of our lesson for today? The title is العنوان. We are going to visit a farm. We are going to visit a farm. Now, let me ask you some questions about the lesson. At first, how many pictures do we have in the lesson? There are 4 pictures. There are 4 pictures. Who are the characters or who are the people of the lesson? Here we have Samira, Kareem, and Mom. Look at picture number 1. Who can you see? I can see Kareem and Samira. What are they doing? They are talking to each other. And Samira is using the computer. Now look at picture number 2. What do we call this animal? What is this animal? It's a goat. It's a goat. What about Kareem? What is he doing? What is he doing? He is picking some lemon. He is picking, pick, يقطف. He is picking lemon. Picture number 3. What can you see in the picture? It is a river, and here we have some flowers. Picture number 4. What are they doing? It seems that they are going to somewhere, and they are preparing themselves. They are preparing themselves. Now I'm going to introduce the new vocabulary of the lesson. Look at this picture. What can you see in the picture? What's this? It's a farm. It is a farm. مزرعة. And what about this animal? What can you see in the picture? It's a goat. It's a goat. What about this picture? What can you see in the picture? I can see fruit. I can see fruit. And what about this picture? What can you see in the picture? It's an aubergine. It's an aubergine. And what about this picture? What is the woman doing? What is she doing? She is picking apples. She is picking apples. Pick means يقطف. What is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? He is planting. He is planting. Plant means يزرع. Plant means يزرع. And look at this picture, يا رابع. What can you see in the picture? What's this? It's a sun hat. It is a sun hat. Now I am going to read the lesson. Let's start with the title. We are going to visit a farm. We are going to visit a farm. Samira, look, we've got an email from Uncle Hassan and Aunt Muna. We are going to visit them at their farm in Deir Allah. Samira, we are going to see the goats and the chickens. Kareem, we are going to plant aubergines and tomatoes. We are going to pick fruit. Samira, let's read about Deir Allah. Kareem, I am going to draw lots of pictures on the farm. Samira, it's going to be warm on the farm. I am going to take my sun hat. Are you going to take your camera? Kareem, yes I am. I am going to take lots of photos. Now let me ask you some questions about the lesson. Let's start with picture number 1. The word from means men. Now يا رابع, is the email from grandma? No, it isn't. It is from Uncle Hassan and Aunt Muna. So that Samira got an email from Uncle Hassan and Aunt Muna. Are they going to go to Aqaba? Are they going to go to Aqaba? No, they aren't. They are going to visit Uncle Hassan and Aunt Muna at their farm in Deir Allah. They are going to visit Uncle Hassan and Aunt Muna at their farm في مزرعتهم in دير الله في منطقة اسمها دير علة. Now look at picture number 2. Look at picture number 2. What animals are they going to see? What animals are they going to see? They are going to see goats and chickens. They are going to see goats and chickens. What are they going to plant? What are they going to plant? They are going to plant aubergines and tomatoes. They are going to plant aubergines and tomatoes. And what are they going to pick? They are going to pick fruit. They are going to pick fruit. Is it going to be cold on the farm? Is it going to be cold on the farm? No, it isn't. It is going to be warm. Warm on the farm. It is going to be warm on the farm. So that Samira decided to take her sun hat. And why does Kareem going to take his camera? Because he is going to take lots of photos. He is going to take lots of photos. Assalamu alaikum. In this class, inshallah, we are going to talk about exercise number 4, page 26. Read and match. Before we start, Ya Rabi', let us look at the pictures. What can you see in the picture? What's this? We call it a map. Map means خريطة. It's a map of Jordan. Picture number A. What's this? What do we call it? It is the Roman theater. It's the Roman theater. And what about this picture? It's the Yarmouk River. It is the Yarmouk River. River means نهر. نهر اليرموك. This is a letter from Kareem and Samira من كريم وسميرة to Ali and Layla. So that from means من to إلى. Before we start, let us talk about the directions. Let us talk about the directions. Look at this picture, Ya Rabi'. We call them the directions. Directions, Ya Rabi', means الاتجاهات. Directions, الاتجاهات. Let's start with the first one. North. North. North means الشمال. الشمال, north. The opposite is here, south. South, الجنوب. East, الشرق. East, الشرق. West, الغرب. These are the directions, الاتجاهات. North, south, east, west. From Kareem and Samira to Ali and Layla. From means من to إلى. From Kareem and Samira to Ali and Layla. Dear Ali and Layla, we are going to go to Deir Allah. Deir Allah is west of Amman. At my uncle's farm, we are going to see the animals. Then we are going to have a picnic at the Yarmouk River. After this, we are going to visit the old Roman theater at Qais, Kareem and Samira. Now let me ask you some questions. Who wrote the letter? Who wrote the letter? من كتب الرسالة؟ Kareem and Samira. And they sent it to Ali and Layla وأرسلوها إلى علي وليلى. The first question. Where are Kareem and Samira going to go? Where are they going to go? They are going to go to Deir Allah. Where is Deir Allah? Where is Deir Allah? Deir Allah is west of Amman. It is west of Amman. And we said that west means غرب. تقع في غرب عمان. What are they going to see at their uncle's farm? What are they going to see at their uncle's farm? They are going to see animals. They are going to see animals. What's the meaning of the word picnic? What's the meaning of the word picnic? Picnic means tour, رحلة. Picnic means tour, رحلة. What's the meaning of the word يرموك river? نهر اليرموك. Are they going to visit the Roman theater? Yes, they are. Where is the Roman theater? It is at Qais. It is at Qais.